Hey guys, welcome. This week's video is gonna be a little bit shorter, but I hope it's gonna come in handy for many of you darkroom lovers. If you shoot analog on a regular basis, you probably know just how much film gets wasted due to experimenting, failed exposures, scratches and so on. In a very short time you're left with a stack of unusable film. I have the exact same problem, and because nature already has enough waste on its shoulders, I would like to show you how dry plates or even modern film can be reused. Emulsion can be coated on different transparent surfaces. When making glass dry plates, light-sensitive emulsion is coated directly on a glass support as opposed to the modern films which mostly use transparent polyester. Each one of them has its pluses and minuses. Glass is very delicate and can break easily, but with proper handling it will preserve the image forever. Polyester, on the other hand, can be bent, rolled and packed in a tiny little film case, but it can scratch easily or curl and buckle if not stored properly. This is why when removing the emulsion from polyester base and recoating, you need to be more careful. In order for the silver halides to stay on the base and spread evenly, most of the emulsions use different types of organic gelatin. When heated, the gelatin liquefies, so emulsion can be coated and dried. Logical thing when removing the emulsion from the base would be to heat it up again, but because there are different additives added to the emulsion, that's not always the case. If you read through different forums, you will see photographers recommending to just throw your unsuccessful film or plate straight into the fixer, which will indeed remove all the unexposed silver halides and make the plate clear, but you're still gonna be left with a layer of gelatin, which is not good if you want to recoat and reuse the plate. There are two ways to remove everything. If the emulsion does not contain hardener, it will simply melt off using hot water like this. If there is hardener added, like in most of modern films, removal of the emulsion will be much harder as it's resistant to higher temperatures. Here is an example of a dry plate that was coated with emulsion that contains hardener. You can see that it's not going anywhere even if the water is hot up to 70 degrees Celsius. The same happens to modern film. We need something that dissolves the gelatin as well, and this is sodium hypochlorite. I know it sounds complex, but it can be found in most bleaches for clothing that are available in every supermarket. Here in Slovenia we are using Varekina right here. I just fill a glass container with it and slide in my dry plate and exposed film sheet. With a bit of agitation, you will see how the emulsion layer will slowly start to dissolve. And please do them one at a time to prevent any scratches. This is just for demonstration purposes. It usually only takes a few minutes, and you can help yourself by using fingers or cotton tabs. Just make sure to wear proper protection. Guys, if you have any questions regarding dry plates, darkroom, or if you have any suggestions on how to remove emulsion differently, make sure to leave a comment down in the comment section below. Now you're left with just the base, so you can clean and recoat it with fresh emulsion. The same goes with the film, but it's a bit more complicated. I do this very often with my dry plates and take them back to nature. I'm living close to the mountains and it's very cold now during the winter. So last weekend me and my girlfriend wished for some warmth and drove to the southern part of Slovenia, which has Mediterranean climate. We hiked to a natural rock window called Otlica, and here is the shot from that trip using recycled plate. There you go, I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you'd like to see more of it, make sure to subscribe. I'm really trying hard to upload a valuable video every Wednesday. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Bye!